Despite all of the doubt we carry, I know our bodies are like harmonicas. I know there's music in our breath. Somewhere there are crickets asking us to dance. Somewhere there are flowers blooming in the dark. Give me the lotus. Give me fistfuls of mud. I want to know every inch of this world. I want to hold the richness of it in my palms, squeeze its juice between my fingertips, drink it in until all of us are as full as the moon. Do not give me a life painted only in one shade. Give me a pitch black sky until I am no longer afraid of the dark. Let me chase after this life and try to capture the fireflies, knowing damn well I cannot contain that kind of light. Ask the butterflies about transformation. They will tell you about resilience, the ache, the doubt, the pitch black unknowing, the sun swallowed into the belly of the earth, the glistening promise of morning, and then the stretch, the freedom, the flight. Meet me where the honeysuckle grows, where we know deep down in our bones that thorn and nectar, stretch and becoming are all part of the wild journey back home.